Hello, my beautiful Red Hawks. How are you guys? All right, let's get started with our science lesson for today. Our lesson today is over life cycles. I have a little YouTube video that I want to show you guys that I'm going to. Okay. We're going to first discuss life cycle of a frog.
My tail is short, but not gone yet. My legs are broad and getting strong. I'm ready to rock and be a frog. Swim in a pond. I hop and poke and play new tricks. My frog starts.
All right, guys, isn't that so fun? I love that video. All right, let's get back to our slide. Okay, so let's go over what the video talked about. So there are a bunch of different phases, a bunch of different stages in a frog's life cycle, okay? We know that adult frogs are it's the only phase where eggs can be laid, okay? So the very first stage of life for frogs is the egg stage, okay? These eggs are laid underwater. When they're hatched, they become tadpoles. Okay? During the tadpole stage, they live underwater and they breathe with gills. All the animals that live underwater have gills, like frogs, okay? Then the tadpole starts to grow legs and their lungs start to form. They still use their gills to breathe underwater, but their lungs start to form because we know eventually that whenever it becomes an adult frog that they will live on land. Okay, so after the tadpole is when the tadpole grows legs. Tadpole with legs. Then after that, their front legs start to grow as well, and then their tail starts to shrink, and then it eventually goes away. And then it looks like the adult version of a frog. Okay, the tail and the gills disappear, and then their lungs get larger and they move to land. So this phase is called the froglet. And then after that, once its tail completely falls off and its gills are all gone, its tail obviously is all gone, it becomes the adult frog, or we can just say. Okay. Next, we're going to talk about the life cycle of a lady beetle. We can also call these ladybugs. Okay, the very first stage, just like with the frogs, is the egg stage. Okay, here the eggs are laid on the bottoms of leaves. Okay, so they're laid in the air. They're not laid underwater. They're laid on land. Okay, once the egg hatches, they turn into what are called a larva. Okay, the larva eats to store enough energy to continue going through its complete metamorphosis. Okay, after the larva stage, it turns into the pupa stage, which is the stage right before the adult stage. Okay, once it becomes an adult, it's able to lay eggs now, and then the whole cycle starts again, right? So you guys are going to be responsible for doing pages 85 through 87 if you're learning at home. We're going to go through a couple of the questions from these pages together, and then you guys are going to complete the rest and fill out the Google form, okay, so that I can take a grade on your work. I'm going to have you guys do this on your own. Yo, yon. And we're going to answer question 1 together, okay? According to the life cycle picture above, in what stage are the eggs laid, okay? We know that during the adult stage is when eggs are laid. That's what we just discussed, okay? So we know that it can't be stage 1, which is the egg stage. 2 is a froglet, or sorry, is a tadpole, and then tadpole again, tadpole with legs, froglet. So it has to be stage 6, which is the adult stage. Okay, so it can't be stage 2 or 3 or 4, might be 6. Let's make sure A, B, and C we marked out. So D is going to be our answer, the adult stage. Okay, look at the next question. Go ahead, pause your video, pause this video, and work on question number 2 by yourself. Once you have your answer, come back to the video and let's get started again. All right, question number 3. In what stage of the lady beetle life cycle are new eggs laid? This one's very similar to the frog question that we did together, okay? We know that during the adult stage of both the frog and the lady beetle's life cycle is when new eggs can be laid, okay? So it's not the larva. Yep, there's the adult. Let's double check and make sure that our answer is right. It's not the pupa stage, it's not the egg stage. B is going to be our answer. All right, y'all. Page 87 has 2 questions for you guys that are short answer questions. Okay, these are going to be the 2 questions that I'm going to be grading on the Google form. Okay, this can be found on page 87 again. Answer to the best of your ability in complete sentences, question 5 and 6, and then you will be done. All right, you guys, I love you guys and I miss you guys so much. I hope that you guys are all safe and healthy, and I cannot wait to see you guys soon. Bye.